Here is how you can reset the iPhone in the settings. So you open up the settings app on your device and make sure you scroll down until you find the general section. And part of general, you'll be able to get to the bottom of the page where there is the transfer or reset iPhone. And now you have to be kind of careful with what you're doing because we want to only do the proper thing. Because at first we have the reset button, but it's not like a general reset because when you click it, you're going to get the options to pick between. So as you can see, you can reset so many different things. First of all, you can reset all of the settings. So it just means that whatever your device was out of the box, we're going to get there. I mean, it's not going to delete your photos, videos, or any personal data, but the settings, right? Like the app layout and the Wi-Fi connections and whether your phone was set to be zoomed in or whatever, it's going to come back to the normal or default stage. But you also have plenty other ways of resetting the device. So you can reset, for example, the keyboard dictionary, or home screen layout, location and privacy, and so on. So these things, whatever you choose from this, is not going to delete any of your data. It's just going to reset the settings. However, pay attention to the option below, which says erase all content and settings, which on the other hand will in fact make your iPhone clean, fully wipe it, and get rid of every data, every photo, contact, app, and so on. So this is useful when you want to sell the device or make sure nothing personal stays on it, but that's another question, right? Another topic. So I hope that it helped. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you later in future uploads.